Module 12, the Claude Code SDK. Last module, programmatic access to everything we've covered. Build Claude into your scripts, your pipelines, your automation. The Claude Code SDK gives you the same capabilities as the terminal version, but in code, TypeScript, Python, or CLI. Think of it this way. When you type in Claude Code interactively, you're having a conversation. The SDK lets you have that same conversation from inside a script, programmatically. The import is simple. Import query from at Anthropic AI/Claude Agent SDK. You give it a prompt. It returns an async generator of messages. Each message is a step in Claude's thinking and tool use. You iterate through them until you get a result. And by default, read-only. Claude can read files, search code, list directories, but it can't write anything. This is safe for helper scripts and review tools. If you need writes, pass allowed tools in the options. Specify exactly which tools Claude can use, edit for file editing, bash for running commands, only grant what you need. Let me show you the simplest SDK usage, read only, no writes, import query, define your prompt, analyze the database schema and list all tables. For await const message of query prompt, log each message. That's it. Claude reads your schema files, analyzes the structure, lists the tables, returns a result, all from inside a script. The messages come as JSON objects with type, subtype, and result fields. The one you care about is the result message with subtype success. That's Claude's final answer. Use cases for read-only. Helper scripts that analyze code. Pre-commit hooks that review changes. Documentation generators that read your source. Anything where Claude needs to understand code but not change it. When you need Claude to actually make changes, add allowed tools, same pattern, import query, define your prompt, add a description field to package JSON, but now options, allowed tools, edit, Claude can edit files. Claude reads package.json, finds the right place to add the field, makes the edit, returns confirmation. You can grant multiple tools, edit, write, bash, whatever the task requires, but the principle is least privilege. Only grant what you need. Use cases for write-enabled automated refactoring scripts, migration tools, CI/CD pipeline steps, anything where Claude needs to make controlled changes programmatically. Let me tell you where this gets exciting for our work. Our weekend agent is a Python script that watches for email replies and fires the content pipeline. Right now it's mechanical. If Jackie replies, run the pipeline, no judgment. With the SDK, the weekend agent could spawn Claude to evaluate the content first. Is this article actually relevant to coaches and consultants? Score 1 to 10. Skip low-scoring content. Save API costs on audio and video generation for articles that aren't worth it. Or the intelligence report, right now it summarizes everything equally. With the SDK, a Claude instance could evaluate each article. Is this genuinely new information or the same story from yesterday with a different headline, filter out the noise, or a quality gate? After generating audio with 11 labs, spawn Claude to check the transcript. Does this match the original text? Any pronunciation issues? Any awkward phrasing? Flag problems before publishing? The pattern is always the same. Script does the mechanical work. SDK spawned Claude does the judgment work, best of both. And that's it. 12 modules. You now know Claude Code inside and out. Let me recap what you've learned. Module 1. Claude Code is a tool use loop. Claude thinks, requests, the harness executes. Module 2, 16 built-in tools, extensible with MCP, daily workflows automated. Module 3, Claude.md is the brain, 3 tiers, hash for rules, for file mentions. Module 4, plan for breadth, think for depth, effort for thoroughness, combine them. Module 5, escape to interrupt, double escape to rewind, compact to compress, clear to reset. Module 6, custom commands from markdown files. 1 word to trigger complex workflows. Module 7, MCP servers for external tools, Playwright, Google, AWS, anything. Module 8, GitHub integration, auto review PRs at Claude mentions. Modules 9 through 11, hooks, pre and post tool validation, exit codes, sub-agent review. Module 12, the SDK, programmatic access for scripts and automation. This isn't just a tool, it's a way of working. And once you start, you don't go back. Your final mission. Pick one thing from this training that would make the biggest difference in your daily work. Just one. Set it up today. A Claude MD file, a custom command, a hook, an MCP server, whatever resonated most. Don't try to do everything at once. Pick one, make it work. Then come back for the next one. Go do the thing